Hi, this is James Abraham with Warehouse Lighting. What I'm going to show you today is one of our new kits for our Beam LED fixtures. We have a bunch of them. They're 4-foot and 8-foot sections. Now we've got a kit to actually put these sections together so you can make continuous runs out of them. The nice thing about this kit is it's real easy to install. Keeps the fixtures perfectly lined up. The only thing you have to worry about is really hanging them and adjusting their height so that they're even along the length. We have a couple different beam options. We have a 4-foot and an 8-foot. We also have, one pictured here is a indirect direct. So it's got direct light as well as indirect light. There's a LED panel in here that gives you an uplight component to this fixture. You know, it's great for lighting aisleways, office lighting. We use this a ton in office lighting right now. It's a suspended fixture, hence why the aircraft cable kit's here. I'm going to show you kind of how this goes together with the kit here. You know, and it gives you a really nice looking fixture, and in my opinion it's a very inexpensive fixture to use in a commercial application. It's great for schools too. We put these in a lot of schools as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a close-up version of how these two mount together. As you can see, separate items now. These are just two 4-footers just for this video, and this is the DID version. Like I said, it's the indirect direct. If you have questions about this, you're more than welcome to contact us at 888-454-8840. I'm sorry, 4480. Other than that, we will kind of show you the close-up version of putting this thing together. There's a couple components. You're going to get canopy kits with this, which they're adjustable. They're 10 feet long, and these canopy kits, you know, when hanging them, you're only going to need one canopy kit for the center, you know, bracket and the ends, and they should be hung. You know, if it's an 8-foot, they should be hung on the ends of those as well, not necessarily a one mounted in the middle. What I'll do is I'll bring the camera in close. I'll let you guys see how this thing goes together, and show you how easy it is. You do have to have different power runs for each fixture dropping down out of the ceiling, so you want to take that in consideration. You can hop the fixture. It's really kind of difficult, and you have to come outside the housing and back into the housing. So from there, I'm going to do the close-up version on this, and let us know if you have any questions. You please like the site or like the channel. Please follow us. We come out with new product releases all the time, informational videos on how to wire things. We appreciate you tuning in. Thanks. Alright, this is showing the beam fixtures where the connection is between them. As you can see, they're separate fixtures. What this kit does is allows you to put them together. There's a couple things you need to do here to kind of prep the fixture. One, I've already attached the aircraft cable kit to this, and it was basically just one screw, real easy. This is what's going to bind it together and allow you to just use one aircraft cable kit in the middle. So you're going to put the fixtures together. What I tell people with this is assemble it on the floor and then lift it into place is what I find is the easiest. These panels slip apart. There's a piece that goes in the middle. What this piece is used to do is steady the fixture and make sure that it lines up perfectly. And it's a real easy slide in piece. So now that piece is slid in. It doesn't have the ability to go left or right or front or back or whatever your opinion of my position is. So with this basically slides together, and usually you mount through here and you mount an independent cable between fixtures, you know, with fixtures, and you mount them apart from each other. So now what we've done is we've put the mounting kit in the middle of this bracket, which will mount in here once you slide these pieces together. And as you see, these holes become closer together. You line them up. The kit comes with 2 screws. You put the 2 screws in. Screw them down. Screw them down, and now you have your lined up fixture, and it's all set and ready to go. And I'm only pulling on one, there's nothing on the other ends. Like I said, with the fixture itself, there's got to be a power feed per fixture. But if you got an 8-foot, you know, fixture and you want to continuous run it, this is a great kit to put those together. Inexpensive. The one I'm picturing here is the DID fixture. It's got the up and down light component. A little bit more expensive than just the downlight one, but it's a really nice, well-made fixture. Aluminum extruded housing, you know, acrylic lenses, great LEDs, great output, and it's dimmable. So, like I said, this is a great bonding kit. We'll put the video online. Please contact us if you have questions. And thanks for tuning in to warehouse-lighting.com. Have a great day.